Hey Technostuds, let's take a look at our corporate network and see how IP version 6 would fit into it. Because IP version 6 has such a huge address range, it really simplifies a lot of things. For instance, these network connections between these layer 3 devices, these routers, have a need for two different IP addresses, one for each side of it. But really, because we have such a huge address space, we really don't need to worry about doing this variable length subnet masking. And even the biggest networks that we have, which here is going to be, we're planning for 2000 for this network, even though requirement right now is 1351, but for future growth was 2000. But really, we don't need to worry about that at all because 2 to the 64th power is such a huge number. It allows us to really not have to worry about the host side of bits at all. So now what we do got to think about is kind of a hierarchy structure with this. We have these regions here. So it would be nice to split things down by region here. We also have many different networks at those regions, so maybe we split it by that as well. So in this example right here, maybe we devote a nibble for the regions, and then we could devote the rest of this for those different sites at each of those regions. Or we could split this into 2 nibbles for the regions, that gives us 256 regions, and then 256 sites per each one of those regions. So it really gives us a lot of flexibility with this and how we construct this together. So that's how we would break this down with subnetting of our corporate network.